Remove A-pillar trim.
Open the door and lever out the side cover on the dashboard. It's just plugged in. Pull the lower part of the A-pillar trim slightly backwards. Now pull out the airbag cover. Don't worry, this is just a cover and not the airbag itself. Then pull the panel out a little. That requires some strength. The panel cannot be completely removed yet. A clip in the middle can be loosened, but prevents the panel from being completely pulled out. Therefore, pull the cover backwards. Now unplug the speaker, and you're done. After removal, the central bracket can simply be pulled out of the A-pillar and pushed back into the panel.
Remove rearview mirror.
First, pull the top cover of the mirror out to the back. The other cover then goes down for removal. Push the cover slightly apart on both sides and then pull it downwards. Remove the mirror itself from the base by turning it to the left. This is very strict.